What's up, people? I'm Aaron. And I'm Parker. This is ODDNESS TV. I'm doing my normal weird arm thing to tell you all about Nuking with Nadine, episode number 4. Well, if you saw the last episode with the egg, it splattered all over the window, so we had to fix Nadine number 3 to make it even work. Check it out.
Alright, so before we get into this episode, we've got to do a little bit of modification to Nadine number 3 because it was way too hard to see into the last time. So now we are making Nadine 3.236.
Safety first!
Such an extravagant name.
That's what we had to do to the microwave. And this week, we're putting some soap in it. It's gonna be awesome. Check it out.
Well, I'm about to move the piece of soap in there and see if we can't get it on the little spinny thing and make it do some more goodness.
It's really hot. Oh, yeah, it's hot.
Oh, it's like doughy.
Well, the soap was lame. All I did was clean the middle. Let's go get Daddy's computer.
You heard Ryan. Let's nuke his computer.
So I have a slight concern for our safety. So we're gonna put up this barrier, slide back part. I'm gonna insert the only thing that ever seems to work. Pull. It's not even warm. Like the microwave's not even hot.
Maybe it just takes some time.
Maybe we ruined the microwave when we took out the metal piece. We're gonna do some more research, but for now, soap, computer, full. And if he's at to leave because it smells disgusting. I think we ruined.
I think we broke the microwave.
I
think the heating thing isn't working anymore.
It was working. Obviously, the soap.
Okay.
Desperate times call for
I
desperate
think
measures.
we ruined the microwave. So I think I have one last thing to do. Let me go grab my car keys. getting nuked. We're actively searching for Nadine number 4. Can't see me, can you?
Yes.
There's never a day without AM and PM.